Career Academy. Today we are going to see types of conjunctions. What? Types of conjunctions. There are two types of conjunctions, which are that coordinate conjunctions and subordinate conjunctions. First of all, we will see coordinate conjunctions. Okay? Coordinate conjunctions. Conjunction joins two words or two main sentences. Coordinate conjunctions joins two words or two main sentences. Okay, which are I have written here some coordinate conjunction words. Coordinate conjunction words, which are that neither, nor, for, nor, both, and, not only but also, still, and, but, or, at, etc. These are coordinate conjunctions. Now, I have written here some sentences as example of coordinate conjunctions. Now, I will explain here. Look at here. Ram bought cheese, oil and vegetables. Ram bought cheese, oil and vegetables. Look at here. Cheese, oil and vegetable. All these are nouns. And here join. Here these words joined by and. When you have to use and, if there are same kind of words, then you have to use and word and conjunctions. Okay, and conjunction. Now next sentence. Nachiket stood first because he worked hard. Nachiket stood first. This is the first sentence. Okay. This is the sentence. And he worked hard. This is also one sentence. Okay. Now stood first. This is the main. This is also main sentence. And this is also main sentence. This sentence will not depend on this. Okay. But these are two separate main sentences added by because, with the help of because. Okay. Now look at here. Nachiket stood first because he worked hard. If you say Nachiket stood first, this is also one separate sentence. He worked hard. This is also meaningful separate sentence. But these two sentences added with the help of because. Now I will read once again. Nachiket stood first because he worked hard. It means here because, after because what we get? Reason. Yes, he stood first. And its reason, he worked hard. It means because we have to use for reason. Okay? Now, next sentence. School has holiday. School has holiday, so he doesn't go. School has holiday. This is also main sentence. He doesn't go. This is also main sentence. Okay? Both are main sentences. But these two sentences added by so word. Okay? Now once again I will read. School has holiday, so he doesn't go. Here so is works as conjunction in between these two sentences. But after so we will get result. Okay, school has holiday. Its result. Holiday's result. He doesn't go to school. Okay? Understood? Now, next sentence. You can buy car or ball. You can buy car or ball. Here, car and ball are nouns. Okay, both are nouns. Here, two nouns are added with the help of or conjunction. Or conjunctions are used for choice. You can buy car or ball. It means any one you have to take, not both. Here are used for choice. I hope you understood coordinate conjunctions and how they are used. That also I have explained you. You also use these coordinate conjunctions in your sentences. Okay. Now we will see next type of conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction joins sub-sentence to the main sentence. Sub-sentence to the main sentence. It means sub-sentence depend on main sentence. Now, I have written here subordinate conjunctions that I will read them. When, though, although, while, before, after, where, so that, as, because, as if, even if, in case, if, until, unless. Until and unless. These are subordinate conjunctions. Now, I have written here sentences as example of subordinate conjunctions. Okay, now I will explain you. You can go to the park. You can go to the park. Yes, you can go to the park. This is a main sentence. Okay. Now, if it doesn't rain, from it, here is a sub-sentence. Okay, sub-sentence. This is main sentence. Here, this is subordinate. Sub-sentence. Okay. Now, main sentence. I will read first main sentence. You can go to the park. This sentence has its complete meaningful sense. Its complete meaningful sense. If I will read from if it doesn't rain. If you read only from if, this sentence will not complete its complete sense of this sentence. So this sentence depends on this. So main sentence and subordinate sentence combined or joins with the help of if. Okay. Here in this sentence explain the condition. If it doesn't rain, you can go to the park. Yes. Now next. Unless we understand formula, we will not solve sums. Now, we will not, I will read first. Look at here. Unless we understand some formula. This much only you have to read. You cannot get complete sense of this sentence meaning unless we understand formula. Okay, this is not complete sense of this sentence. Okay, now next, we will not solve sums. We will not solve sums. This sentence is complete sentence. It has complete meaningful sense. But this sentence has a complete meaningful sense because unless has used. Here, unless works as conjunctions. Okay, unless we understand formula, we will not solve sums. It means this is a sub-sentence. This is sub-sentence and this is the main sentence. Main sentence and sub-sentence joined with the help of unless. This is also a condition. Okay. Now, next. Though she was scared, she fought bravely. First of all, we have to split these sentences and we will read. Though she was scared, I read. And she fought bravely. She fought bravely. If I read she fought bravely, this is the meaningful, complete sense. This sentence has complete meaningful sense. If I read this, though she was scared, it hasn't meaningful, complete sense in this sentence. So it is sub-sentence and it is main sentence. And these main sentence and these main sentence and sub-sentence joined with though. Though she was scared, she fought bravely. I hope you understood types of conjunctions, how to use in your own sentences, and you also make new conjunctions and try to use in your own sentences. While you are doing this, if you have any query, you have to put your query below this video. I will help you. Thank you so much.